morning students. I am Priya. You are watching EduStar Class 3 Science Lesson 4 Living and Non-Living Things Part 4. Dear students, wear mask when you go outside, wash your hands often and maintain the social distance. Children, we have completed this lesson already. In this session, we are going to revise this entire lesson once and let's do some exercises which help you to recall this lesson. First, let's know what is living, non-living, man-made and natural things. Things that are made by man are called man-made things. Things that are created by nature are called natural things. All man-made things are non-living things. The non-living things do not have life. All animals, human beings and plants are natural things as well as living things because we are created by nature and we have life. Some natural things like rocks, mountain, air, water, clouds and sun are natural non-living things. Dear kids, we are surrounded by living and non-living things. Living and non-living things have distinct features. Things that are move, need food, grow, breathe, respond to stimuli and reproduce are called living things. Things that do not have these characteristics are called non-living things. Living things move on their own. Animals move from one place to another in search of food, water and shelter. Different animals move around in different ways. Animals such as cats, horses, lions and tigers walk and run with the help of their legs. Birds such as parrots and sparrows fly with the help of their wings. Fish swim with the help of fins. But plants do not move from one place to another, but they show movement in some specific ways. For example, pitcher plant traps insects and eats them. A sunflower always moves in the direction of the sun. Some bean tree twist their beans and splitting them to open to spread their seeds. Non-living things do not show movement. They move only when someone moves them. All living things need food and water to live. Plants make their own food. They use water, sunlight and carbon dioxide to make food. Animals and human beings depend on plants or other animals for food. They can't make their own food. Food provides energy to living things, but non-living things do not need food. You might have noticed that you are slowly growing larger and taller. All living things grow. A baby grows into a child and then into an adult. A seed changes into a seedling and then into a plant. The plant then grows into a tree. Animals also grow on their own. For example, puppies grow into a dog, kittens grow into a cat. Non-living things do not grow. Plants grow throughout their lifetime, while animals grow only up to a certain age. Breathing is another important characteristic for living things. Most animals and human beings breathe through their nose and lungs. Plants breathe through the tiny pores present on the surface of the leaves. That tiny pores are called stomata. Fish breathe through gills. Insects breathe through the air holes called spiracles. But non-living things do not breathe. What do you do when you feel cold? You wear a sweater or a jacket, isn't it? Most animals feel things around them with their sense organs. Some insects have feelers to feel. Animals respond these feelings. For example, when an animal feels cold, it tries to find shelter. When you feel good food, saliva starts flowing in your mouth. Plants do not have sense organs, but they can also feel changes around them. A plant can feel the sun and grow towards it. The leaves of the touch-me-not plant can feel if you touch them and respond by closing. The reproduction is one of the important characteristics of living things. All living things reproduce. For example, your mother gave birth to you. Living things produce their own kind is called reproduction. Female animals give birth to young ones or lay eggs from which babies hatch. Animals such as cows, monkeys, goats, tigers, elephants, rabbits, and etc. give birth to babies. Animals such as birds, snakes, crocodiles, and lizards lay eggs. Remember well, if an animal have visible ears, they will reproduce by giving birth to young ones. If the ears are not visible, that is, if they have internal ears, those animals will reproduce by laying eggs. Plants produce seeds which grow into new plants. Some plants produce new plants from their stems, roots, and leaves. Non-living things do not reproduce. From the previous class, even till now, we saw the differences between living and non-living things, isn't it? But there are some similarities too. Let's see those similarities between living and non-living things. Living and non-living things are made up of some materials. For example, a body of human beings and animals is made up of skin, bones, flesh, and organs. A pen or a plate is made up of plastic or metal. Living and non-living things occupy space and have weight. For example, a dog occupies space and has weight. A table also occupies space and has weight. Living and non-living things are affected by weather conditions. For example, heat, cold, and rain affect our skin, and they also affect metals or wood. Now let's do some exercise. Answer the following questions in yes or no. Okay. Do plants speak? No. Do plants grow? Yes. Do plants show movement? Yes. Do plants need food? Yes. Now circle the odd one out. Cat, dog, fox, fin. Here the answer is fin. Because others are animals, fin is the part of fish which helps to swim. Book, plant, box, pen. Here the answer is plant because others are non-living thing, but plant is a living thing. Cockroach, butterfly, mosquito, stomata. Here the odd one is stomata because others are insects, but stomata is a tiny pore present on the leaves. Air, water, antenna, sunlight. Here the odd one is antenna. Other three help the plant to make food, but antenna is the feelers in insects. Now tick the correct answer. Which of the characteristics is shown by both living and non-living things? Growth, reproduction, weight. The answer is weight. Which of these is a natural non-living thing? Computer, water, paper. Here the answer is water. Human beings breathe through gills, stomata, lungs. The answer is lungs. Fish breathe through their stomata, gills, fins.
The answer is gills. Which of these reproduces by laying eggs? Crocodile, lion, cow? The answer is crocodile. Next, write T for true and F for false statements. All animals move with legs. Correct. False. Plants do not move from place to place, but their body parts may move. True. Living things get energy from food. True. Air is necessary for living things to get energy from food. True. Plants cannot breathe. False. Non-living things move on their own. False. The next exercise, write L for living things and N for non-living things. Tree is a living thing. Brick, non-living thing. Rose plant, living thing. Chicks, living thing. Lizard, living thing. Bee, living thing. Plate, non-living thing. Wooden chair, non-living thing. Boat, non-living thing. Rock, non-living thing. Spoon, non-living thing. Doll, non-living thing. Next, give 2 examples for each of the following. Students, you to guess your own answers, okay? Animals that breathe through the nose. Cat, dog. Insects that breathe through spiracles. Grasshopper, cockroach. Animals that breathe through the moist skin. Earthworms, frog. Birds that move with the help of wings. Crow, eagle. Plants that grow from seeds. Pumpkin, beans. Next exercise. Write 4 characteristics of living things using the first letter of each picture shown in the set. In this first set, they gave monkey, owl, vulture, elephant. The first letter of each picture is M, O, V, E. Move. Look at this second set. Grass, rose, octopus, watermelon. The first letters are G, R, O, W. Grow. Third set. Dog, ice cream, egg. The first letters are D, I, E. Die. See this fourth set. Fan, elephant, egg, lion. The first letters are F, E, E, L. Feel. What are the 4 characteristics we found now? Yes. Move, grow, die, feel. Okay students, now we have done some exercises. Let's do our book exercise. Take your science book. Take lesson 4 living and non-living things. Turn page number 38. Look at this exercise A. Write T for true and F for false statements. First one, birds breathe with the help of air holes? The answer is false. 2. The sun is a natural thing. The answer is true. 3. Mushrooms make their own food. The answer is false. 4. Non-living things can reproduce. The answer is false. 5. Plants move from place to place. The answer is false. Okay, dear students, no classwork for this lesson. Instead of that, read and learn important points. Parents, kindly guide your ward to complete this work and send us the image of science book page number 38 through this mail ID. Now, let's move to the BCS session. Today's question is, are you happy? If you are happy, you can reply, yes, I am. If you are not happy, you can reply, no, I am not. Now tell me, are you happy? Yes, I am. No, I am not. By looking at your family, if your teacher is asking you, is this your family? If that is your family, you can reply her, yes, it is. If that is not your family, you can reply her, no, it is not. Now tell me, is this your family? Yes, it is. No, it is not. Okay, students, remember to wash your hands regularly and keep safe distances. Always wear mask when you go outside. Better avoid going out. Take healthy drink and food. Stay at home and stay safe. Thank you, dear students.